Warm greetings to one and all present here. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Mr. A. Jasmine Anthony Raj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SMS, Rajalaxmi College of Arts and Sciences, Coimbatore. Today, we are going to see about the concept on and DT activity. So, what is meant by DT activity? Means it is nothing but a design thinking activity which is need of the app for the students. So here today's topic is chosen. So as it is an most useful for the students, real people and real problems. So what are the real people who is going to face a real problem by having a different stages in a DT? How can we able to overcome this real problem by the peoples? Thank you one and all.
Hi, I'm Bhavna from second year BSc Cybersecurity at Dr. SNS Rajalaxmi College of Arts and Science. Here to explain the topic about real problem, real people using design thinking stages. The problem statement which I have taken today is students at urban and rural semi-urban areas are facing difficulties due to lack of mental health support, due to stigma and lack of awareness and lack of professional activities. In that first stage is empathize stage. In empathize stage we have to understand the student in emotionally experience, and we have to make some challenges to understand the student. In that we have to conduct 3 activities. First we have to conduct interviews with students, counselors and parents, and we have to observe the stress pattern in academic areas, and we have to create an empathy map. The map must answer the solution of think, feel, say and do. Reason behind this is some students have the fear of judgment, so they won't seek help. And the second thing is they have the problem of comparison between their academic and social. This may increase their anxiety. So we have to understand them at the first stage.
Hi, I'm Sajna Fatima from second year BSc with Cybersecurity at Dr. SNS Rajalaxmi College of Arts and Science. Today the topic is real problem and real people. In this topic, using the design thinking stages. Here I am taking the defined stage, which means second stage of design thinking is defined. In this define, we have a framing the real problem. So in this the real problem, how the students have a stigma-free access. So here the problem is first we have to identify clearly based core problem based on the insight. And the problem statement is the student have the free accessible of a stigma, and which is insight accessible to how they were using their problems and existing problems, which is accessible. And here for this they are using the tools, point of view and how might be. The point of view, what is the problem, the student need what kind of solutions, and how might be queries. In this how might be queries, we have to changes some other queries or else their solution. So the outcome will be human centered and focused. So in this defined stage, we have to gathering the problem, and we have to get some portray some other roles.
Hi, I'm Darshini, second year BSc Computer Science with Cybersecurity, Dr. SNS Rajalaxmi of Arts and Science College. Design thinking used to have 5 stages, and the first stage is known as an ideate. Ideate means we used to give more ideas for the program. So the ideate activities can be brainstorming. Brainstorming means nothing but only idea. In that we are not used to judge that ideas. Then next crazy is then scamper activities. These are activities are all come under idea. Then next idea generate. So based on our idea, we used to generate some things. Okay. For example, mental healthness. So there are many things like AI-based mental health chatbots and on-campus mental awareness. Then digital awareness. Here more things like that. Then the outcome of this ideate is processing and promising user-centric outcome.
Hi, I'm Abhishek. Here too we have song about define stage, ideal stage, and how we can approach the problem statement. So now I'm here to share about the prototype model, which is the fourth phase of design thinking. Hereby we can it shows that how to implement a basic ideology of what we have created into reality. So in prototype we are able to create some of the AI agents like Canva. All these can be implemented to students in a direct interaction way. So when we are interacted in a reality-based environment, the study purpose and the understandings will be more relevant and effective. So there are many AIs and apps to create an interface and create large environment to interact with students that may help the students to not affect their mental health and improve their capacity and capability. Thank you.
Hi, I am Janani from BSCCS with Cybersecurity from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I am going to speak about the test stage, which is the design thinking's last stage, where we gather the information from the feedback from the user and get the feedback that they affect the problem, and with the feedbacks are received from the user and the improvements are made, which is privacy enhanced setting, and the outcome is validated and the feedbacks are refined with the user's needs.
Let me conclude this DT activity, that is design thinking activity, on the topic real problem with the real peoples. That the problem has been discussed with the students. So here we have given conclusions of what the problem we are facing and how can we able to overcome this problem, and we can able to give the better result.